What's the maze?
Maze, you know maze? It's like garden maze.
Gardening? Yeah, with my heels, sureness. Sige, I never thought of going here. It's Sky High
It's
Mountain.
a
It's a surprise. Well, I was surprised.
Look.
Look, may ano. Oh, there's some pebbles. They call the pebbles or something. Yeah, Mia's there! Mia!
Wishing well.
Huwag ka na mo. Nakabing ko.
Delete na lang.
No, it's okay. They didn't hear that name.
Who's that? What name?
Wag na. Nakakainis naman eh.
Bilog.
The world is an apple. Wishing well.
You wish.
Baka madrop ko yung phone ko. This is the wishing well here in Sky High. You drop a lot of coins, like $5 coin. So your wish will be granted. Yeah, paper. What's $5 coin? Wala namang $5 coin, di ba? So yun, dito kami pinsan ko. Ngayon lang kami ulit nakita for after half a year yata.
6 months, parang tagal.
Parang tagal, di ba? Kasi kayo nilang, ate lang, di kayo mahilig mag-video-videohan, no? Picture naman kayo, di ba? Ako kasi video. Oh, baby! Wow, dagat lang ang peg.
Please come here.
Let me check your photo.
Yan. Ganda. What's high tea means? What's high tea means? Anong high tea?
It's like social merienda.
We call it high tea here in Aussie. It's like a social, like merienda. You call it if you're very social, you go, let's go high tea.
You'll have cake.
You want to have some high tea? High tea yung tea na sa taas. So high tea. Ano ba yun? I don't know what you call it. High tea. They want some high tea. High tea is on top of the water. On top of the street. Ganun. Imagine mo yun, ang Valentino ko nandito sa Bermuda grass. Ayoko makakita ng ganito, girl. Tingnan mo yan. Ayoko makakita ng mga lambingang ganyan. Kita ba? Ayoko. Ano na lang ako. Akala ko makamove on ako. Meron na pala siyang iba. Meron na siyang ibo. Ganun ba yun? Pag nakita mo yung, yung ex mo, may kasama ng iba, malulungkot ka kaya? Well, I think so. Siyempre, pag makita mo siyang masaya na and you're alone, nobody's with you, and then you saw him with somebody else, maybe yes. I'll be so jealous. Uy, nakita ko yung ex ko kahapon. He watched the show yesterday. And he looks happy. The English guy, remember? Hurt na naman ako kasi he was there. And I saw him, watch the show, and he seems so happy and all that. But it's fine with me. I wasn't able to take a photo with him because I have to move on. Tapos na, I block his phone number or his Facebook account. Wala na.
3.
Yun lang. Ha? O siya, mag-high tea na raw kami. Yung high tea is like a social media, no? A social term for merienda.
Are you hungry, baby?
Mia, don't eat the bar. Don't eat the branches.
Okay, let's
Kasi
go.
Mia. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, daddy.
Bye-bye. Old daddy. Ayan. O sige na, yan yung ex ko. Tingnan mo siya. May kasama ng iba. Ayun, nasa likod ko. I have to move on. Bye-bye.